So here's a little follow-up to our food plot video. If you remember, I cut this whole area down. The weeds were about 6 to 8 feet tall. Cleared the entire area out, put some salt blocks in, and then I seeded it as a food plot, basically. And then last winter, I got some very cool trail cam shots up here. If you follow us on Instagram, you may have seen a couple of those already. And it was right here in this area. And what I think was interesting is that this field stayed really low for a long time with that, deer feed mix that I put down. And then now, instead of the weeds coming back, I've got this grass. And this tall grass was never here before. So I'm guessing that this is the last stage of whatever was in that mix. But it's cool because you can clearly see now that we've got some bedding locations and stuff like that going on here. So that's pretty neat. So what I'll have to do later in the season is get the predator back up here. Maybe next time I come down, I'll bring that back up here and knock all this down again. Because now that this grass is going to seed here, that might provide just a nice little cover area down here. Overall though, it's kind of cool seeing exactly how this area developed over one season of clearing it, seeding it, and then letting it run its complete cycle. And one other thing, this was originally an area where I was going to put a small cabin, like a shed cabin or something like that. And luckily now I know from those trail cam pics that right here through the middle of this field, and flowing right down there into those woods, during a heavy rain this entire middle section turns into a stream. So I'd have to put the cabin over there between those trees. Again, it would be a very small little shed style cabin, just a little place to get out of the rain, but it would work pretty well, I think.
Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to follow us on Instagram and see what we're up to throughout the week between videos. And maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.